Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for another Bumblebee Kid Toys video. Today I'm going to be opening up these confetti-filled surprise eggs for you. Each one has a My Mini MixieQ inside, and there are even a couple that have My Mini MixieQ blind bags. Let's open up our first one and get started. Okay, so let me start with this green one. And here's all the confetti inside and our little mini MixieQ figure. This one here is a country girl. Let's move on to this yellow egg. More confetti. And our next figure. This one here is a doctor. She's wearing her doctor coat and a stethoscope. Let's see which figure's in the next egg. Ooh, check out this one. This one's name is Boss Guy with his black spiky hair and his cute little glasses. Now for this pink egg. Look how cute this one is. She looks like a cute strawberry. This one's an ultra special find. I'll open up this green one next. And what do we have here? It looks like a blind bag. Our first one. We have some pink hair and this MixieQ. She's wearing a black and white checkered dress. I have my flyer here. Let me find her. She is this one right here, called Checkerboard, under the sassy category. Okay, on to our next egg. Wow, check out this figure. This one here is a bagel. That is super cute. Let's see what the next figure is. Wow, look at this one. This is a flamingo. Now for this yellow egg. Here's the next character. It's Hawaii Girl, and she's playing her ukulele. And look at this, we have another blind bag. Let's open it up and see the character. We have some brown hair and this little girl. Let's put her hair on. Let me see if I can find her here on this flyer. And she is right here. This is Boho Girl, and she's in the friendly category. Let's open up this green one. And who do we have here? This looks like Golden Girl MixieQ. She has her curly gray hair. And this one is a cute little bee. I thought it was a butterfly from her wings, but she is definitely a bee. Here's the next character, and she's wearing a pink and red ruffled dress. This MixieQ is called Valentine Girl. We still have a few eggs left to open. Let's see what the next character is. Ooh, this one is definitely the butterfly one. She's called Yellow Butterfly. 2 eggs left. Let's see who's in this one. Oh wow, look at this little tiny hot dog. And he's holding a slice of pizza. And here's the last one. Ooh, check out this one. It's purple and has a tail. This one is Purple Dragon. Wow, look at all the MixieQ's we opened up today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bumblebee Kid Toys channel. I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.